Yes, sir. Wahoo's for sale. The price for the Wahoo is gonna be what is up, ladies and gents? Fancy Fisherman is back. We are out here today. We got Savvier with us. We got Brucey with us. It is a windy March morning, but the Wahoos are here in Bermuda. We got a mixture of baits today. We got some artificials, and then Steph's also rigging up some gars. Steph's gonna rig you guys a little garfish today. He's pretty much a master at this stuff, so.
To make sure that pin coming off is directly straight with the back of the hook, so it doesn't spin. You want to line it up with the fish. See where that back hook sits? And you want to come in through the bottom of the gill. I like putting my finger right up here so it doesn't, so I can roll his head down as I push. And you just roll the bait down. And you come around his gill, come down.
Okay, there you have it. Let's go, boys, we're hooked up. Bruce has got a nice one on. Savvy's just clearing the lines out. I'm up here with the throttles. Let's go. First fish of the day. Crank on him, Brucey. Let's go! Woo! Little 50, 60 pounder.
Rigged up.
Haha. Yeah, that guard that Savvier rigged for you guys earlier, that's what just caught the first fish. Woo! Sorry I didn't get it pulling in the boat. It was a bit hectic, but let's go. Let's get him back out. Number 2, let's keep it up. Brucey's hooked up. It's been a long while. It's been like an hour and a half since we've had a bite. Well, we've had bites that lie, but since we've hooked the fish, it's not been going well. But Brucey's hooked up now, so hopefully we can change it. Woo! Indie boat. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. On the blue and white. What's up, peeps? We're back at the dock. It was only a half trip day today because we need to deliver. We got 14 yesterday, 3 today, so 17 in total. 3 we got our ice down in the box. We got 14 in here, that's loaded up. Steph's about to gut them. Me and Brucey got to walk them all the way up to the truck. It's gonna be a long process, but yeah, we'll take you guys through some of it. Steph just caught a lizard with his bare hand. Show me. No. Ooh.
No.
What?
He's cool.
Yeah, he's alright. Alright, we got some gutting going on here. Steph's got 4 done already. Pulling out the box. These are all our fish from yesterday. Steph's just helping us out.
Start in, come up here, cut down.
You.
Poke right there so you can fit your thumb in. And you lift them up, you can poke in there. And cut up. And then you slip down. You slid up. Then you want to grab the gills and pull back and cut that little tendon right there. And then you come around. Hold on, watch out. And I just cut back from the other way and it comes right out.
We got to deliver this afternoon. I got 300 pounds to deliver this afternoon, another 120 pounds to deliver tomorrow morning, and then the rest is going to go roadside. What are you saying, peeps? Been pretty hectic. Everyone else decided to deliver when we were delivering, so it's been pretty hectic. Haven't videoed yet, but we are in town in Bermuda. We're in town. We dropped off 150 pounds to our first restaurant on the way, just dropped off another 103 pounds to the second restaurant, and then we are on our last delivery for the day, and they're just taking 35 pounds to 2 of the smallest fish we caught. But yeah, we're gonna head to Terrace now. We're gonna deliver some Wahoos. I'll get some footage of that because we know the staff and show you a little bit of the process. Sometimes we look like idiots because like we be walking through town just with fish dripping everywhere and like just holding in their hands all messy, but that's what we like, you know. People be looking at us taking pictures and so it's kind of funny. But yeah, we'll bring you guys along for this one and show you how it's done, show you the invoice and everything. What you guys know about the van action? I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but she's got a little squeak to her. She's breaking down a little bit, but I've been trying to treat her with care and wash her up. Obviously, when there's like maybe a week of bad weather again, I need to put her in the shop. She needs a little bit of work, but she's doing the job so far. So she's doing, you know, she's doing all right. Don't judge me. Don't judge. Ooh, can I make that? Can I make that? Brucey, am I making that?
Yeah, you're making that.
Am I?
Yeah, cousin.
All right, as we said before, we're in the middle of town out here in Bermuda. Brucey's about to carry these two up these steps. Oh, yeah, these are the two. That one's small. Like I almost felt bad killing them, but money's money. We're
It'll
like,
taste good. It'll taste good.
it'll taste good for the people up here. Okay, let's go. Brucey looks like an idiot carrying them through town. Terrace. This is what terrace looks like from the outside. We headed up. Go quick. Go quick. Wahoo's for sale. What's up, my man? This is the owner of Terrace. We keep shouting it out. This is Dougie here.
Got fresh fish, but
Yeah,
fresh
yeah,
fish.
We going back in the kitchen. This way. Keep coming in. What's up, you guys? Wait, this way, Brucey. What's up, my man? Say what's up to you too.
Hey, hello. Alrighty, so Jake's writing the invoice now. We got the fish over there. I'm not sure. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, so basically the invoice is pretty simple. So we just do where I'm selling to, the date. I put my license number down just so if anybody checks it out, they know who sold them the fish. On the left side here, I put how many pounds we got. In the description, I put what it is. So 35 pounds. They just wanted 40 pounds, so I got them the closest amount. So we got 35-pound Wahoo, and the price for the Wahoo is going to be undisclosed because I can't put that on the page, but I'm going to put the price down. And then I just put a total. I put my my account details, so I put my name, my bank account number, my statement, and in about a week or so, I'll get paid. And then that's how we basically make our money. Bring it into the restaurant, chef signs it off, and then that's how we do it. All right, peeps, we back from town. You saw a little bit of action of us delivering. Now we're back at the base. We got rough weather tomorrow, so we can go on the roadside. We got a whole cooler here of conies. We got some Wahoos cut up in half. Brucey's cutting another Wahoo here. We got Wahoos everywhere.
Meat.
Nice Wahoo meat. Look at this. Look at this winter fish. This is a small fish. This was probably a 15-pound Wahoo. And look at the meat. It looks, all of it just looks extraordinary, honestly. Good Friday coming up. We celebrate in Bermuda. We fly kites. Everybody makes fish cakes. So this fish is gonna fly on the road. We got two big boys in here, real big, that we gotta fillet those up. So we got about five Wahoos to cut up for the road.
We're just cleaning the Wahoos, as Jake was saying. There's actually some gray dogs down here. Gray snappers. He's pretty fired up. Oh, there he is. Ooh! Look at him. Oh, two of them!
I don't know if you can see in the video. I'm gonna try and catch one for you in a sec, but like the average dock pet we have here in Bermuda, you can see all these fish are 6-7 pounds. All of the gray dogs. It's regular for us to see snappers that big. Like even you'll see in June when we do the overnight fishing coming up, our gray dogs that we're catching are 10 pounds, 8 pounds, 9 pounds, 7 pounds, 6 pounds, like regular.
12
like, we have beasts here in Bermuda. The pins are just clapping it up. I'm gonna hook it like I'm hooking a guard.
Go check him.
Look. Oh, he sees the hawk.
They're smart.
I'm gonna move.
No,
Oh,
bro.
it's a turtle. No, it's a turtle. No. Why is a turtle here?
He's not even hooked, bro.
What the heck? He's just
Not
not
even hooked.
letting
He
go
just
of it.
doesn't want to let go of it. Okay, there he is. He let go. He wanted that thing badly.
No way. You guys see that? I'm trying to catch a snapper and this turtle just won't leave me alone.